year 2024. We are in the middle of war, so we need cooperations. I am God, Lucifer 27, Death 32 Misaya, Kenneth Fernandez, Lamog, Pilipino. I am Emperor. Protect each other, feed each other. I will pass my power of control to my territory, to these trusted leaders, selected only. Lenin of USSR, Stalin of USSR, Joe of USSR, BBM of Unitim, Sara of Unitim, Rodrigo, ex-president of Philippines, Joang Oswag Partiles of Philippines, Donald Trump of America, Joe Biden of United States of America, Prime Minister Boris Johnson of Britain, Prime Minister Rishi Sunak of Britain, President Xi Jinping of China, President Vladimir Putin of Russia, Avenged Sevenfold, Gregorian, King Charles of Britain, Maple Andrei of Sweden, General Fernandez of Philippines, at sa Soviet Union, USSR Communist, Hull, Kabilugan, Philippine Army, Kabilugan, Chinese Remnant, US Army, British Army, Jo Malunosan, Miriam Malunosan, Rowen Trinidad, Wilbert Carpio, Angelo Fernandez, Joker, Clown Payaso, Sandro Marcos of Philippines, Mayor Joris La Chica of Philippines. I give them authorizations. They will handle all the obligations and responsibilities, so make them immortal. Trust God. Okay, Emperor signing off.